Every missed message is a missed opportunity, but managing conversations across disconnected tools makes it harder for teams to stay responsive and consistent. VirtualText brings text messaging and web chat into one shared workspace. That means every conversation stays visible, accessible, and actionable, helping teams protect relationships, reputation, and the trust that drives business forward. VirtualText uses AI to respond quickly and accurately, guided by customizable playbooks built around your business. Creating a playbook is simple. Just click into the control panel to access the Playbooks area and select New Playbook. Then select the playbook type, role, and enter your company website. From there, VirtualText automatically gathers relevant information about your services, service areas, and common customer questions. In just a few moments, the playbook organizes that information into a knowledge base that helps your AI agents and human teams provide consistent, reliable responses aligned with your business. You can review and make changes to those playbooks at any time too. Click into the playbook you'd like to update, then click Edit. You can make the changes by either downloading a copy, then updating it locally and uploading the new version, or revising by AI. This lets you adjust anything you need to, including things like procedures, messaging, or how your AI agent communicates with customers. Creating an AI agent only takes a few steps. That agent will then use your playbook as its source of truth, allowing it to respond quickly while staying perfectly aligned with your business. Also found in the control panel, click AI Agents, then Add AI Agent. You'll give the agent a name and have the option to select an avatar as well if you'd like one. Scrolling down, you can control how your agent interacts with customers, including agent type, response style, and initial greeting. Below that, you have two crucial options to consider: enabling specific operating hours for the agents and whether or not contact verification is required before escalating to your team. Creating and editing teams is easy as well. Also in the control panel, click on Teams to access them. Here you can create new teams or edit existing ones, which is where you would add the AI agent you just created. VirtualText integrates directly into your website with a customizable chat widget that matches your branding and makes it easy for customers to reach out. The AI gathers important details, answers common questions, and helps qualify the situation, allowing your team to focus on high-value interactions. If a visitor leaves your website or closes the chat window, conversations can seamlessly continue via text message or phone, helping your team stay connected with customers even after they leave your site. Human team members can then step in to confirm details and set up the next steps. Using internal notes to stay separate from customer messages, teams can coordinate internally with ease. All conversations appear inside VirtualText's shared inbox, giving your team full visibility across web chat and messaging channels. You can even place calls from right within the platform, and team members can collaborate with each other using internal notes. Those notes stay within the conversation flow, but are completely separate from customer-facing messages, making it easy to see the whole context and coordinate next steps. You can set up automated workflows, which conversations can then be routed to. This can help you automate things such as follow-up communication, appointment reminders, service updates, or even automatically sending invoices. By centralizing communication channels into one workspace, VirtualText helps teams manage higher conversion volume without losing organization or response quality. With VirtualText, teams can respond faster, collaborate more effectively, and maintain consistent customer experiences across every messaging channel. By helping businesses capture and manage every customer conversation, VirtualText helps teams protect relationships, strengthen trust, and stay ready for every opportunity. To learn more or start exploring VirtualText free for 14 days, visit virtualpbx.com.